Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. I'm Matt. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. One very important part of Stock Overflow is accountability. That's why I started this channel. I want to show you something. This video right here was my very first published video. This was in February, I think. Yeah, February the 22nd. This is right before the crash started. I was up 10.36%. Then things went to shit. Let me show you another video. This is the state of my portfolio as of March the 18th. Down here, you can see I am down just under $2,000. Now, during the editing of this video, let me show you something else. Right after I filmed this video, it dropped again. At the lowest point, I was down over $2,200. My portfolio was down 28.75%. That was at its lowest point. Take a good look at all these positions. All these I was down. Revolve, I was down 46.79%. Sony down 21%. Uber down 30%. Bank of America down 25%. It was bad all around. It was a very rough time to be investing. Now let me show you my portfolio today. Bank of America, I am up 5.65%. Cloudera, I am up 51.46%. Cisco, up 4.06%. Facebook, up 25.96%. Realty, up 12.79%. Pfizer, up 15.17%. Qualcomm, up 0.13%. Revolve, the position that was down 41%, is now up 10.04%. Sony, still down. Uber, up 27.78%. That leaves me a total of 10.78% increase overall. That gives me an equity of $12,801.86. Yes, I did transfer my assets from Robinhood to Fidelity towards the end of March, beginning of April, but the cost basis carried over. You'll see that in a second. So how did I do this? How did I get from negative 22% to over 10% gain? Well, if you're a new investor, stick around because this might be insightful for you. I mean, I employed dollar cost averaging. You may have heard a term called buy low, sell high. If you're a new investor, you've probably heard it all over any stock market tutorial video, anything like that. It's a very simple concept to hear and to think you're gonna follow, but it's actually very, very difficult to do in practice once psychology starts taking over. Like once you see your gains go down, like no matter how much you steel yourself, no matter how much you practice with paper trading, like there's always an inner voice that tells you that this is wrong and to sell. So this is what I did. What you're looking at right here is my Fidelity history. Right here, you can see I transferred my assets from Robinhood to Fidelity, so I'm not lying when I said my cost basis and stuff carried over. Since then, stocks kept going down and down and down and down, but look what I did. I kept buying. I kept buying more and more as stocks went down. The only stock I sold was Nordstrom, and I made a video about that. The reason I sold Nordstrom was because they cut their dividends, which means the reason that I invested in them changed. And so when the fundamentals of the company change, or the reason why you invested change, I feel that's a good reason to sell. But outside Nordstrom, I didn't sell anything. I bought and bought and bought. As stocks went lower, I just kept buying. It requires some discipline, and I'll be lying if I didn't say that this was a huge learning experience for me. I've been investing for about a year, and this is the first time I encountered an event like this, and it really steeled my nerves as far as building discipline, getting me to adhere to buying low and not, panic selling. Another thing that helped was starting this YouTube channel. It's really, I don't know, it just really warms my heart to see like me pulling through and having the discipline to see myself, to see through this and having my efforts rewarded. And now, right now, I'm having the best gains of my life. They may only get better from here. And a lot of people are talking about the stocks crashing again. Will stocks crash again? Maybe, maybe not. Is that gonna change my strategy? No, it won't. And if the market crashes again, I'm going to take that as another buying opportunity. So I want this to be a lesson, maybe a point of inspiration for new investors that are, seeing their investments drop or, have seen their investments drop. You know, just stay the course. As long as you're disciplined and as long as you evaluate each company, eventually this too shall pass. But anyways, this was just a real quick vid. I hope you found this enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Eat your vegetables.